Hello and welcome to Delph Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the certificate error in Google Chrome. First, try clearing your browser cache and data. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time as the time range. Check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data, then restart Chrome and check the website again. Next, make sure your computer's date and time are set correctly. Certificate errors are common when the system clock is incorrect. Right-click the date and time on your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. If they are already enabled, turn them off and back on. Close Chrome and reopen it after making the changes. Now check your Chrome extensions. Some extensions can block secure connections and cause certificate errors. Click the three dots, go to Extensions and open Manage Extensions. Turn off all extensions, restart Chrome and reload the website. If the site opens normally, enable the extensions one by one to find which one is causing the issue. Your antivirus or firewall may also block secure website connections. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and refresh the website. If the error disappears, add Chrome or the website to your security software's exception list. Always re-enable your antivirus or firewall after testing. If the issue continues, check for Chrome updates. Open Settings, go to About Chrome and allow the browser to check for updates. Install any available updates and restart Chrome once the update is complete. Another helpful step is resetting Chrome to its default settings. Open Settings, scroll down to Reset Settings and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. This will disable extensions and reset preferences, but your bookmarks and saved passwords will remain. If none of these solutions work, restart your internet router. Turn it off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to stabilize. After that, open Chrome and try accessing the website again. If the certificate error still appears after all these steps, the problem may be with the website itself. Thank you for watching.